Alright, hello everybody. Let's get my gloves straightened out here. Got me another unboxing slash put together deal here. My other Christmas present, well, one of my other ones. Supposed to be some kind of rolly cart. They got tape over the picture. Anyway. This thing looks pretty cool. 3-tiered cart. Well, I better get that up and out of there. I got a garbage box. Got my little stool. I like that. It works pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Let's see if we can. Yeah, look at that. Professional. I don't know what kind of tools I need. Uh-oh. Instructions are right on top. Hammer and a screwdriver. Oh, check that out. Pictures. Phillips screwdriver. I think I can handle that. And of course I don't have one here. Got one of me Harbor Freight ones. Alright, let's see what we got. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I think I'm gonna like this. That's got to be the top one. Cup holders. There's another one, cup holder. What, you got cup holders in? What's going on here? All 3 tiers have cup holders? I guess. I guess just keep it uniform, huh? Oh, okay, there's screws. Magnetic strip on top shelf. Ah, that's a magnetic strip there. Picking up what you're putting down. A bag of screws. A bag of plastic stuff. Let's just dump that right in there. There we go, there we go, there we go. There's the wheels. Aluminum. Alright, well, I'll tell you one thing. I'm not going to be putting all those screws in by hand. That's for darn sure. But I got tubes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. All right, what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, mallet, mallet. Where's my mallet? I think I got a big enough one anyway. Ugh. Uh-oh. Oh, is that when you need the mallet, huh? Well, now, that's that one. Oh, okay, this ain't too bad. There we go, now we're all the way down. You can hear the sound. Well, I guess I should. I don't know. Maybe I should keep them the same or stagger them. Maybe I'll stagger them. What do you guys think? I know they all want the same. Oh, well. Decisions. Let's see if we can get her started. I don't know if you can see me doing that or not, but almost. Here's down. Alrighty then. And then all that happens is there's holes here. There's holes inside there, and then a screw will go in this one, a screw will go in the other one. And then on the top and bottom, 2 screws will go in here. So, ain't too shabby. I think I got it. There we go. Now listen to the sound. That was a good one. Easy peasy. All right. And then this one here should have the magnetic strip. Oh yes, yes, see there's a magnetic strip goes across here. That's what that's all about. And then, let me put this last one on here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm digging this little thingy here. Adams Polishes. Let's see if we got it. That one's in. In. That one's in. Cool beans, Joe. Now I gotta figure out the rest of this. I guess these are going here. We're gonna find out here shortly, I tell you, shortly. Okay. And in the top is those ones. Ah, I gotcha. There's ones for the wheels. And there's just caps for the top. And there's screws that go in there too, okay. Hey, look at it, it's already holding something. Ha, ha, ha. I'll put some more stuff in there too. Is that? Oh, they just snap into place. Well, isn't that cool, huh? Even got brakes on it. Ah, that's not going to work for me, huh? Aha, aha. I'll screw these in so the wheels will stay on, and then the rest I'll screw in off camera. Alrighty then. You should be able to just, there's 2 screw holes here. They're all the way around, all legs. And should be able to just, look at that. Like a professional. Let me put 2 in here. Right through that aluminum too. That's all. 2 screws there. There'll be 2 here and then 2 here. All the way around. There's a whole bunch of screws. You don't have to see me do all that. What I want to do here is put a screw in each one of these wheel holder thingies here. So don't be falling out while I move it around. Then I'll go around, put all the other screws in, and I'll have a rolly cart, as my sister calls it. I hope she don't see this because I'm scratching it already. Alrighty then. So how do I want to put these up here. Ho-ho! We'll put the lock wheels on the front so I can see what I'm locking. Pretty simple. It's that simple I can do it. Alright. There we go. Got pockets. I got things for screwdrivers and look, and probably put a cord around there and stuff. Might have to look this thing up and see if it shows anything like that. And then oh, how about that? Oh my gosh. I gotta show you this. This is pretty cool. I didn't realize it. I got dividers. Check it out. And I think these are just for fancy. I don't know where they go. Oh, they go right in here, maybe? Let me look at the pictures. Yep, that's where they go. These here go down in here. Oh, that just makes it look pretty. Yo, the magnet was coming out. Alright, so there we go. Got ourselves a rolling cart. All kinds of different stuff to put in there. Got dividers. Probably just glue them in or silicone them in or something or whatever if you wanted to. Got fancy stuff here. Got it all scratched up already. I'm proud. But I like it. Like it a lot. Thank you so much, Sister Di. Let's see if we can get you put these up front here so then I can lock them. Yeah. And I can lock them and it won't go. So there we go. Adams polishes. All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. And remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.